Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are making summer special pista kulfi, also known as pistachio kulfi. Kulfi is very popular in India and especially eaten during summer season. So let's get into this video. For that, here in a small mixie jar I am adding 1/4 cup of pistachios, also known as pista. We are going to coarsely grind this. So just pulse grind for few seconds. We need a grainy texture. Just like this. Now this looks perfect. I am going to keep this aside. Here in a bowl I am adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, which is known as corn flour in India. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of water. Now we'll mix this well. Once it's nicely mixed, we'll keep this aside. So this will act like a thickening agent for a kulfi. So you don't need to add any condensed milk, nothing. Just this. Now we'll start making the kulfi. For that, here in a heavy bottom vessel I am adding 1 liter of full fat milk. So use full fat or full cream milk, but do not use skim milk. Use good quality full fat milk or cream milk. Once I poured the milk, I'll mix this and I'll switch on the flame. Once I've switched on the flame, we are going to bring this milk to a boil on medium flame and continuously stir in between to avoid the milk from burning in the bottom. So keep on stirring in between just like this and bring this milk to a boil. So as soon as the milk comes to a boil, you need to lower the flame, and on low flame here I am adding 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, also known as elaichi powder. And before adding the corn slurry, always mix this just like this and pour this into this milk. Now we'll mix this well and you need to continuously stir. Once I've nicely mixed, now I'm going to cook this on medium flame for 25 minutes. Keep a timer on side and cook exactly for 25 minutes and continuously stir. So gradually you will see that the milk has started to thicken just like this. I have switched off the flame and I am transferring this vessel on a cool surface. Now to this, here I have added 1/4 teaspoon of green food color. Now I have mixed this well. So you can add the color according to your choice. You want lots of color, accordingly you can add the color. Now I have mixed this well and we have got a wonderful green pista color in our kulfi. Now to this, here I am adding the pista powder. Once I have added the pistachio powder, now I'll mix this well. Now once this is nicely mixed, to this we'll add 1 teaspoon of edible rose water. So rose water is completely optional. If you want, you can add or you can skip this. But this will give a wonderful fragrance. It's just for the fragrance in a kulfi. Now I'll mix this well and we'll allow this mixture to come to a room temperature. So as soon as the mixture cools down on room temperature, you can see the creamy consistency. This is the exact consistency that we need for our kulfi mixture. So we have made this without adding any condensed milk or anything, pure milk. Now we'll transfer this to a nice loaf tin. So here I am using loaf tin. You can use a steel bowl or a steel glass or even the kulfi mold. So if you pour in small kulfi mold, you will get lot of kulfis. Or small steel glass also you can pour this mixture. So once I poured the entire mixture, we'll cover this nicely with aluminium foil. So hey friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all my latest videos. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and share this video with all your friends and family. Now once I have covered with the aluminium foil, I am leaving this in freezer overnight. Now this is the next day. Carefully remove the aluminium foil. Now I'll place this mold carefully on top of room temperature water for 25 seconds. But here I did a mistake. As soon as I place this on the water, I was adjusting my camera and it took few more seconds and all the kulfi started to melt from the bottom. So now you can see it looks perfect, but when I'll turn it on plate, you will see that the bottom part has started to melt. So that's completely fine. So just remove it exactly on 25 seconds. Now I'm lightly tapping this, but you can see we have got a perfect creamy textured kulfi. Now I'm going to decorate this with some mixed dry fruits. So you can use any dry fruits of your choice. Here I am decorating with some almond, cashew nuts. And once I've decorated with dry fruits, I'm going to cut this into desired shape. So you can cut this thin, thick, however you like it. And once you have cut this into desired shape, serve this immediately and enjoy this summer with this delicious kulfi. And kulfi is a kind of thick kind of ice cream. See, when we cut it, it's not soft, it's slightly thick, but it is super creamy and very delicious. Definitely try. So here I am having one bite of kulfi. What are you waiting for? Definitely try this recipe and give your feedback and enjoy this summer season. Super delicious and super creamy. And we have got the perfect texture. Thank you for watching.